Hi, are you a beginning artist who is considering having a solo art show? Maybe at a library or at a community center or any other venue. Wonderful, thrilled for you. There are a number of things that you need to remember to get done, and in what order in order to have a successful art show. We're going to talk about all those things. The very first thing is to make sure that you're putting out your very best art, that you're working on that, maybe months in advance. And then there are things that need to happen a minimum of 30 days before your show. And we're going to talk about that. And at the end, you're going to find that there is a checklist of everything you need to do 30 days out to ensure that you have a successful solo art show. So let's get with it. This is where I am at the end of the day. Today I got 10 canvases ready to paint, and I started on this one. I have this painting. I was thinking it might be done. I'm not happy with it. And it's this tree. I was trying to make a tree that had just limited needles on it. I don't like it. So I am going to go over this tree and we're going to change it up some. Things that you need to do is get your graphics ready. So sometime in that month before, you need to do graphics for your promotional material, and it all needs to be coherent. So this, at first I made an event on my Facebook page, and I used a graphic very similar to this. And then I took that same graphic and I made a postcard out of it to send to the people that I really wanted to invite. Collectors, business people that I do business with, friends, people that I thought would really be interested in seeing this art show. And so then I made sure that I had enough business cards. Now, these don't necessarily coincide with my graphics that I made for the event and my postcards, but they are similar in font and in information. Then I made, these are cards that I made, has my little picture right here. These go on each piece of artwork in the art show, and it says, it has the name of the work. In the art center, we have to put an inventory number. So there's a place for that, a place for the size, and a place for the price. And at the top, it says Sharon Durbin Graves Art. So those are all things that need to be done in advance, so you're not caught up at the last moment going, oh no, I didn't do this and I didn't do that. These are on the list of what needs to happen. And that's exactly what mine looked like for this art show. And now we're going to get on with some varnishing of these paintings. You want to make sure that not only are you producing your best artwork, but that it looks good, that it's professionally finished. So here we go with the varnish. video is brought to you by Painting with Acrylics Academy. It is a complete course for beginning painters, start to finish, teaching you everything you need to know about color theory, the materials you're going to use, perspective, composition, different kinds of paints, supports, all the things that a beginning artist needs to know is inside and waiting for you at Painting with Acrylics Academy. I'll put a link in the description for you. Now, let's get back to the art show. Created a checklist for beginning artists for a solo art show, and it's for 30 days before the show, and it'll teach you week by week what you need to do. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to get that checklist, and I hope that your first solo art show is much less stress-free than mine and that you're going to have a wonderful time. Thank you so much for being here. If this has been any help to you at all, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Tell me about your first art show if you've already had one, or how this might help you. So see you later. Let's paint together real soon.